Good afternoon and welcome back to John's Lawn Mowing. In this episode we're looking at my review of the STIHL RM650T mower. This was sent out to me by Origo, the distributors of STIHL in Ireland, so let's get into it. This is my review looking at some of the details and some of the footage of it in action. So one of the first things that you'll notice about this lawnmower is that it only has the one arm of support for the handlebar, here, making it really easy to gain access to the grass box to be able to take away for emptying. The grass box itself, because it's plastic, has really good airflow through it, and it also has this design with a handle underneath here and a clip on the back that you can open up the top of the box, making it easier to tip out the contents into the bin. Part of the technology for the handlebar system on this is that it helps to also reduce vibration levels to your hand when you're operating this machine. Still have a patented technology system for the handlebar, which consists of being able to just push down on this little lever here and you have access to adjust the height of the handlebars or to stow away for storage or transportation mode whenever you need to. The deck on this mower is an aluminium deck with a powder coating on it. It also has a sturdy front bumper for extra protection for the deck itself as well. It also has an easy height adjustment setting here, which is you just put your hand here, there's a little lever which you can grip onto, pull the spring, and it is spring assisted for the height of the deck. As you can see, it just naturally pulls up there. Very, very easy with a very minimal effort. The lawnmower offers a 48 centimeter cutting width from 28 to 85 mil cutting heights with the adjustment system right here. The wheels in this mower are made from a hard wearing material, which gives for great grip when you're on the garden or just moving about the lawnmower. This mower also has a powerful Kohler 6.5 horsepower engine. In some of the jobs that I've taken this mower out, it has handled the jobs with ease without any difficulty whatsoever. One of the things that I was concerned about this mower in the beginning was the roundedness of the metal handles here for both the drive system and the blade engagement. But when you put the two together, you can see how the design of this rubber handle here is a little bit wider. This allows us for the handles, as they are pulled up and closer together, for a comfortable grip when operating the mower. So this lawnmower has been designed for 3 operational uses. It has a 3-in-1 blade to be able to offer ability to cut with discharge out the back, collect with the box, and thirdly, you can mulch with the mulch plug that comes provided with the mower. I took this mower out on a number of different jobs over the last couple of weeks, testing it out on a couple of different types of lawns that it was specifically designed for. I was doing a hedge cutting job a couple of weeks back, and I took this mower out to be able to use to collect the hedge clippings from the job that I was doing. With the height adjuster, I was able to get a nice tight cut to the grass to be able to vacuum up those hedge clippings. While the lawnmower wasn't specifically designed for that, it handled that job very well. In other areas where I was using the mower to cut grass, the finish was a nice fine cut. You could tell that a high quality machine like this was designed to give the domestic user a very nice, enjoyable experience with great results when they were cutting their own lawn. This mower was designed to be able to cut grass in the wet with the direction of the airflow in the bag with downward facing vanes. Because this is a plastic box, it means that there's no material for the grass or the airflow to clog up on. This also means that when you're using the mower in some dry conditions, that no dust is being blown upward toward the operator, but down back towards the ground. This mower comes with a smart choke technology, making it very easy to be able to pull and start. This is a single speed mower, so when you're cutting your own lawn, you can walk with the speed of the mower at a very comfortable pace. So that's my review of the STIHL RM650T. I thought this is a great mower. You've seen it in some of the action that I've had it out cutting with. You've seen it up close to see the quality of the build of the mower. And all around for a domestic unit, I think this is a fantastic little machine to use. It's a lot of fun when you're in this business offering a service to customers in my area, but also to be connected with people in the industry that value and trust my views and opinions when it comes to operating machinery in this business. If you would like to find out more information about the STIHL RM650T mower, you can find links in the description below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already. My name's John Ryan, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.